Hello, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel and thanks for playing my video. Today we learn 5 idioms and phrases and my first idiom and phrases is at last, at last, at last, অবশেষে, অবশেষে, and the similar word is finally, 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 and my sentence is at last he has been able to pass the exam. At last he has been able to pass the exam. অবশেষে সে পরীক্ষা পাশ করতে সক্ষম হয়েছে অবশেষে সে পরীক্ষা পাশ করতে সক্ষম হয়েছে and my second idiom and phrases is after all after all after all মোটের উপর and the similar word is at all at all at all and my sentence is after all he can be said a good man after all he can be said a good man after all he can be said a good man মোটের উপর তাকে একজন ভালো মানুষ বলা যেতে পারে মোটের উপর তাকে একজন ভালো মানুষ বলা যেতে পারে and my third idiom and phrases is at stake at stake at stake বিপন্ন and the similar word is vulnerable and my sentence is he is at stake now he is at stake now সে এখন বিপন্ন বা বিপদের মধ্যে আছে and my fourth idiom and phrases is at no time কখনোই না and the similar word is never and my sentence is I'll go your home at no time আমি কখনোই তোমার বাড়িতে যাব না and my last and fifth idiom and phrases is at last স্বাধীন and the similar word is freedom and my sentence is man wants to go at large মানুষ স্বাধীনতায় যেতে চায় বা মানুষ স্বাধীনতা চায় That's all about 5 idioms and phrases for the timing and thanks for watching my full video. Thank you.